If you notice any suspicious activity related to your Bank of America account, it's important to report it promptly to protect your finances. Follow these steps to ensure you report the issue correctly. Step 1. Gather information. Before contacting Bank of America, collect all relevant information such as account numbers, transaction details, and any suspicious communications you have received. This will help the representative assist you more effectively. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service at the number provided on their website or your bank statement. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing personal information such as your social security number or account details. Step 3. Explain the situation. Once connected with the representative, clearly explain the suspicious activity you have noticed. Provide them with all the details you gathered in Step 1 to help them understand the issue fully. Step 4. Follow their instructions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Shark.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Monitor your account. After reporting the suspicious activity, keep a close eye on your account for any further unauthorized transactions. Consider setting up alerts for transactions to stay informed about any changes to your account. In conclusion, reporting suspicious activity is crucial for maintaining your financial security. By following these steps, you can ensure that your concerns are addressed promptly and effectively.